Friends, welcome to our channel VJ Technobuzz. Today we are going to learn drop-down list in Excel. Drop-down list in Excel is an excellent way to give the user an option to select from a predefined list. It can be used while getting a user to fill a form and creating interactive Excel dashboards. In Microsoft Excel, drop-down lists allow you to create a list of valid choices that you or others can select for a given field. So first of all, I will tell you how to create a drop-down list in Excel. In this section, I will tell you about exact steps to create an drop-down list. First step is using data from cell. Second step is entering data manually. And third one is using the offset formula. So let's start with the first step, using data from cells. Let's say we have a data. I have a data list of items here as shown below. This is the item list: Redmi, Oppo, Lava, Lenovo and Samsung. So select a cell where you want to create a data drop down list. So go to the data and in data go to the data validation. In the data validation dialog box you see in setting allow field, data field. In allow field you select list. When you select list, source field automatically appears. In the source field enter this list of items, then click on OK. So this will insert a drop down list in cell J9. This is Redmi. Make sure list appear or not. Check all values are here or not. See, with just one click all values are appear here. So this is the using data from cells. So our next step is by entering data manually. So in this field you can also add items directly by entering it manually in the source field. For example, I can say you want to show two options like names of two girls, Jia and Janvi, in data drop down in a cell. Here is how you can directly enter it in a data validation source field. So first of all select data validation. Within setting tab select list as validation criteria. As soon as you select list, then you select source field. In source field enter Jia and Janvi. In between comma, place comma in between them and press an OK. This will create a drop down list in the selected cell. All the items listed in the source field separated by comma are listed in a different lines in drop down menu. See, like this. So this is the second step. of drop-down list in Excel, entering data manually. Our third step is using Excel formula, or we can use offset formula in this. Apart from selecting a cell and entering data manually, I can use a formula in the source field to create an Excel drop-down list. In Excel, any formula that returns a list of values can be used to create a drop-down list in Excel. For example, suppose I have taken the data set as shown below. Items Redmi, Oppo, Lava, Lenovo and Samsung. Select a cell where you want to create a drop-down list. Go to the data, then select data validation. In the data validation dialog box, within the setting tab, select list as the validation criteria. In the source field, enter the formula is equal to offset in bracket. Select the value, this value as first value, comma, 0, taken 0, in between them comma again, 0, again comma, and 5, taken 5, and close the bracket, because here are 5 values, that's why I can take 5 and click on OK. See, Redmi, all the value are sets in drop down list. Oppo, Lava, Lenovo, Samsung. This will create a drop down list that all list the names of items. So how this formula works in this list? In the above case, we used the offset formula to create drop-down list. It returns a list of items from the range I9 to I30 equal to offset. This is the syntax of formula. Reference as first item. It takes 5 arguments, rows, columns, 0, 0, and height and width. We have 5 items, that's why we take height and width 5. When you use this formula, it returns an array that has list of 5 items in items in list I8 to I30. So this is the third step, using data from items in drop down list in Excel. So this is the drop down list in Excel. Using these steps, we can create drop down list in Excel. So please subscribe my channel VJ Technobuzz. Please do watch my videos on YouTube. Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe and share my channel VJ Techno.